Hi guys, I'm Ross Charles. Today we're doing a step-by-step how to do a Mohican. Okay, we're going to start with trimming the sides, give them a nice clean shape on here, and clean up all the lines. And then we're going to dry the hair a little bit more. We've given it a really good clean. It's really important this when you're styling any big spikes, anything that's going to be elevated really high. Give it a really deep clean. Tiny bit of conditioner, not too much. The shampoo that I used today was the Urban Proof by AlterEgo. It's a charcoal shampoo. It gives it a really good platform to be able to stay up really high. We'll be using a really strong hairspray, fast drying hairspray, one that's combable as well, so we can really work with it. Okay, to trim the sides, I'm using the Andis T Outliner, and this will give us a really nice sharp effect. As you can see, I'm bending the hair back with my hand over so I can clearly see where I need to cut. Again, still working against the grain. So I'm drying the hair through now. It needs to be bone dry because when we're sticking the hair up with the hairspray, we don't want any dampness, so it will make the hair flop. So the next stage is that we're going to start drying the spikes. We're going to use a hairspray. It needs to be fast drying hairspray, so nothing that will saturate the hair. And what we'll do, we'll use the hairdryer to solidify the hairspray inside the spike. That way we can really build it up. Now you don't want to do it all in one go. Spray a little bit on, dry it a little bit more, dry it, just build it up nicely. Because if you do it all in one go, it'll make the hair wet and it just won't work. Not only that, it'll make it a little bit white. So you'll find little white spots where the hairspray is dried into clumps. So little by little, we'll just build it up nicely. As I hold this section out, if you notice, there's lots of tiny hairs. So the short, tiny little pieces of hair that we've got at the base here, we can use these to build part of the structure for the base. We just need to spray them in and run your hand up the spike so they're not going to be floating around and look out of place in the end result. So just applying the finishing touches now. As you can see, it is gigantic. It's amazing. It's really good. Really nice sharp points on the ends. Just to recap, so we shaped the sides down with the Andis. We pulled each section really tight from the scalp, put hairspray on, little by little, dried it in, keeping the tension on your section so it doesn't flop down, and just slowly build it up. Go back to each section every now and again just to keep building it up and keep it equal. Please take inspiration from this and apply it to your collections, your other styles, your salon work. Obviously maybe not as mad as this. Have fun, because it's a really good style to know. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Ross Charles. I'll see you in the next video.